Hello, it's me. Excuse my appearance, I am crust. Also, I'm wearing my own merch that I made a year ago and I never released because it's ugly. But excuse the audio in this video because Diego, my boyfriend, aka my cameraman, he does not know how to actually be a cameraman. So yeah, his finger kept blocking the mic the entire time. So yes, I'm sorry. We'll get better. I'll teach him. Oh hey, what's up? Welcome to my empty apartment tour. What's up guys? This is my empty apartment tour. I'm so excited. We also had to refilm this video because my cameraman had his fingers on the mic the entire time. So we're doing this all over again. Here's our door. We're just gonna get straight into it because we have no time to waste. We still have to move everything, literally. So as soon as you enter, we have this nice door. Let's go up the stairs. We have this nice stairway. Very cute, very nice and long. Here is Bay, aka the cameraman that covered my mic. Very plain wall right here. Hopefully I'll put, I'm thinking of putting like a picture right here, not sure what yet. So as soon as we enter, look at this light fixture. Look at these light fixtures. Look at our nice fan. As soon as you come up from the stairs, we have this wall. There's a little cutout here, which I like, so it's not so enclosed after you come up from the stairs. So they gave us this nice big TV, but we're gonna put this in our bedroom since we have a bigger TV that we're gonna put out here instead. Now moving on to the kitchen. We have an ice maker. In our last apartment, we didn't have this. So, very excited. We don't have to use ice cube trays anymore. And how very cute the people that lived here before us left us 3 popsicles. Are we gonna eat that?
No.
No?
Hell no.
Why not?
No.
It's popsicles.
Random ass people, no.
We have a nice fridge with, oh my god, I just moved the whole fridge.
Whoa, yeah. Show off the guns.
Have this nice fridge with a bunch of compartments, which is very nice because, again, our fridge in our last apartment did not have that. Exciting things. You can tell you're adulting when you get excited about compartments. I love the color of the cabinets. We have tons of cabinet space, like look at all these drawers. We have a dishwasher, which hopefully it works because in our last apartment, it didn't. Now moving on to the sink. The sink is humongo, and I like that it's kind of on here on the island. It frees up the space a lot. Very nice silver. Should I turn on? I don't know how to turn on. Oh my god, how cute. Our microwave is tucked away in this corner. So I'm pretty sure this is an electric oven. I'm used to having gas ovens, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this. This thing up here, I'm not even sure what all these little buttons, I'm not even sure what all these little buttons mean yet. This is technically the dining area. I'm gonna put a nice table here. And we have this thing called Valet Trash. They come and pick up our trash outside of our door, which is perfect because I am lazy and I hate taking out the trash. Door, vacuum and stuff here, towels, extra towels, extra snacks, as if it's not gonna fit in our thousands of cabinets there. We have this just in case. My favorite part, we have a laundry room. Our last apartment didn't have a washer and dryer in the unit and we did not know that. Our first apartment was kind of a fail, to be quite honest. I hated doing laundry because it's death in Las Vegas, and also lugging around a big thing of laundry. Literally in our last apartment, someone took our wet clothes and put it in the trash can, and then someone else that was using the laundry room threw their bleach in there. So it ruined all of our clothes. So yeah, a laundry room was very much needed. Also, we have a bunch of little lights like this. Here's the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. What sold me on this place was this
Me too.
Touchscreen mirror. Lighting of this super cute, very hotel vibes. And now I can film videos in here with like doing makeup and stuff with this lighting. We have medicine cabinet, very nice sink. Diego already messed it up. He shades. And here is our shower. I love this shower head. Just like the little details, everything is so nice and like, I don't know how to explain it, modern and new. Like our shower handle is squared. So this room is gonna be my office. And my film room, very spacious. Once I look this up, it has nice lighting. It also has a gigantic closet. Shelves, more shelves. So I think this is gonna be my closet. And then in the other bedroom, I think that's gonna be Diego's closet, just so, you know, we kind of have our own. Now we're gonna go to that bedroom. This is the master. Pretty much the exact same thing, same big closet. I'm very excited. The only difference about this, obviously, is the master has a bathroom inside. So same thing with the bathroom. I like how tall the ceilings are.
I think we're just short.
We also have another closet for towels and extra stuff, extra storage. I love that this place has so much storage for all of our things. And yeah, pretty much the same thing. Someone's footprint is in there. Why is there just like one footprint? That's kind of gross.
Maybe he had one leg.
So that was it for my empty apartment tour. I'm so happy and excited. Literally, this would not be possible if it weren't for you guys. I'm gonna film everything. We're gonna be decorating it together. We're gonna go shopping together for all of our decor pieces and everything, and I'm just so excited. New apartment, new me. I love you guys so freaking much. Bye.